the largest manufacturer of rotary table in India. We give the complete solution to the machine tool manufacturer or end customers for increasing productivity and efficiency of existing or new machines. UCAM, in partnership with machine makers, proudly present Manufacturing Maestros, an initiative to recognize manufacturing excellence. Join us on March 22nd in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, Maharashtra, where UCAM will honor its outstanding customers, manufacturers who are redefining industry standards through the innovative use of advanced manufacturing technology and our products.